this video, I'm going to show you what you can buy for your 89 euro and meat shop and Adhem van Lanskot. This is a barbecue collie. Let's start with this. This is the ribs. I got how many pieces? I'll check. I got 1, 2, 3. So that is the ribs. Let's unboxing the meat. So what we have here, this is the minute steak. Chipolata sausage. So I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces. 9 pieces of this chipolata sausage. It's beef stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's already marinated in a Belgian way. And this one is burger. So this one is the burger. So I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 pieces of burgers. This is fresh burgers. This is the lempo. Here in Belgium, this is speck. So, smells good. Already marinated already. So I think I have here 1 kilo, I guess. This is the sausage, the sausages. I think this is boar sausages. So I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pesos. This is the chicken fillet. I'm going to cut this, I think, to make it chicken broche. So I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 chicken. This is the satay. Here 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. They cook that with onions. Got 9 different kinds of meat to barbecue this evening. Today is Saturday in Belgium, and we have a visitor, an old colleague of my husband. And yeah, so these are the chipolata sausage, the ribs, the minute steak, the burger, the beef steak, the boring sausages, the lempo or the steak or bacon, and the chicken fillet, and these are the satay. So yeah, yan yung aking mga meat, guys, for tonight. It's very good when you have a visitor, and that is Van Lanskot. The name of that all stuff are barbecue collie. The beef sticks, the burgers, fresh burgers, the minute steak, the marinade that's already, the ribs. I love eating ribs, guys. And the chipolata sausage or chipolata wars, the satay, chicken fillet, lempo, and the boar sausages. These are my meat unboxing. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will notify for my incoming next video. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye everyone.